Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to connect Freenom Domain to Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to purchase a domain from Freenom. So visit the Freenom website, which is the freenom.com, and search for an available domain name that you would like to use for your Shopify store. Follow the registration process and complete the purchase of the domain. Now access your Shopify account. Log into your Shopify account and go to the online store section of your Shopify admin dashboard. Now navigate to the domain settings. In the online store section, click on domains to access the domain settings. Now add your Freenom domain. So click on the connect existing domain or add domain button. Enter your Freenom domain name in the provided field and click next. Now configure DNS settings. So after entering your domain, you will need to configure the DNS settings. Choose the Connect Automatically option if available, which will automatically configure the necessary DNS records for your Freenom domain. So now manually configure DNS settings if necessary. If the automatic configuration option is not available, you will need to manually configure the DNS settings. In this case, you will need to access your Freenom account or domain management settings and update the DNS records. So access your Freenom account or domain management settings, locate the DNS settings or DNS management section. Update the DNS records according to the instruction provided by Shopify. This typically involves creating or modifying the CNAME and A records to point to your Shopify store. After that, verify the domain connection. So after configuring the DNS settings, click Verify Connection in the Shopify admin. Shopify will attempt to verify the connection with your Freenom domain. It may take some time for the DNS changes to propagate. Now set your Freenom domain as primary. So this is an optional action. So if you have multiple domains connected to your Shopify store, you can set your Freenom domain as the primary domain. This is the domain that will be used as the default URL for your Shopify store. Now test and finalize the connection. So once the domain connection is verified, test your Freenom domain by accessing your Shopify store using the domain name. Ensure that your store loads correctly and all the pages are functioning as expected. So now, by following these steps, you should be able to connect your Freenom domain to your Shopify store. Remember that DNS changes can take time to propagate, so it is normal if it takes a little while for your domain to start pointing to your Shopify store. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.